The restart again, and a good start once more by the front row, but it's Bruce Montgomery with the lead into the complex from David Summerson. Third again is David Smithies. Then it's Eddie Faulkner, David Gathercole, Adam Eland and Mike Johns, and the rest of the pack. And again, the last car through is the Jowett Jupiter of Frank Woolley. Start of the second lap, and it's still Bruce Montgomery from David Summerson. These two pulling away now from David Smithies in third place. David Summerson closing up under braking through the complex. Number 9 is Peter Corner. Peter driving the 100M. Here's a shot of Karen Line, 51, and number 2, Mike Smales. Mike taking to the grass.